Hi, everyone. My name is Sung Park. These are my credentials, and here's a weekly update on AddPicto. I'm just going to share my screen. Today's date is July 12th, 2022, and the basic thing that we're working on is just the individual parts of the infographics. So I'll give you a quick overview. So what we want to do is be able to allow you to create masks, which you already have. But we also want to create a tab called infographics and eventually slides. Slides will be templates. So the infographics is that you'll be able to have various icons, search for icons like house. Oh, if I can spell, and then select the house. Like so, and then be able to create infographics using that icon. And so the current thing that we're working on is just a preview for the infographics. We also want to have multiple styles. So we want to have a basic icon. We also want to have the ability to have a circle around the icon or to have a circle and reverse it. And as you can see here, we can toggle it. So this is what we currently have working. And eventually, we also want to then be able to make that into multiples, as you can see here. And then the final output that we would like to get is essentially something like this, where you could define the style, you could define the icon numbers, default colors, unit per icon, directions, and the data, as well as to define your Google Sheets data. And that's pretty much the update. More to come as we continue working on it. Thanks so much, and enjoy the rest of your week.